All right, how to make tea with Pastor Dustin. Get water. About that much. Step 2. Add fire. Come on. There we go. Wait for it to boil. All right, once it's to a rolling boil, you take this kind of tea, and you either get 6 of the little ones or 1 of the 1-gallon ones, and you throw them in there, and you let it boil for a while. While that's boiling, you can get your sugar ready. You say, how much do you add? Nope. More. It's hard to do with one hand. About that much. I don't know how much that is. That much. I just eyeball it. And then once it looks like deep brown tar, turn it off and let it sit and steep for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. It's been boiling for probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes. We'll let it sit for about another 10. All right, after it's boiled for a while and it really looks like inky tar, then, oh, this is gonna be a disaster. You pour it in, just trust me. All right, then fun little hack. You dump the tea bags and rinse out the pot and use that water, which helps clean the thing and gives you a little more tea flavor to keep topping off the tea. Till it's right about at the top. Yeah. Then you stir. Then you get you a nice mason jar and pour. If your tea doesn't look about that shade or darker, it's not tea. Enjoy!